Welcome to Kids Club!
Hi, my name is Dayu. I'm the Assistant Kids Club Manager here at Montigo Resorts, Seminyak. I've always had a passion working with children. Working with them can be both joyful and challenging. But I'm happy to share every smile, happiness, laughter, and creativity together with them.
At Montigo Kids Club, we create a space where little ones can explore, learn, and most importantly, their happiness. We provide a safe environment from art and crafts to outdoor adventures. So, every day is a new experience for the children.
The most that I love about my work is how I build a connection with our young guests and families. So we are not just a resort, but we are a place where the memories of...
I'm proud to be part of a team that puts heart into every moment, making sure of our guests' happiness and makes them feel right at home.
So, whether it's a first-time holiday or it's a return visit, I look forward to welcoming your family to Montigo Resorts Seminyak, where fun and joy are always part of the experience.